Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sandbox with cover for kids that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Step 2 Play and Store Sandbox with cover. This sandbox is big enough for your child and 3 friends to play comfortably. It has 4 molded seats in each corner of the sandbox. The lid not only protects the sand from the elements, but also acts as storage for all the sandbox toys, which are not included with this set. The Step 2 Play and Store holds up to 200 pounds of sand. That's a lot of sand. And lucky for mom and dad, no assembly is required. Just fill with sand and it's ready to play. It's a durable and sturdy sandbox, but unfortunately the lid does not secure down and might blow off with a heavy wind. However, for parents who are looking for something that fits in with their backyard, a little more than a giant brightly colored sandbox, the neutral color and simple design makes this sandbox a nice addition to any lawn without being an eyesore. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Step 2 Naturally Playful Sand Table. No need to jump in. Just stand up and dig in with this standing sand table. The height is perfect for toddlers, and the table comes with 2 shovels, 2 claw rakes, and a bucket. The lid to this sand table not only protects the sand from getting wet, but also is another space to play on with its molded car track. The lid securely attaches via 2 elastic straps, which means wind won't be blowing the lid off this table anytime soon. This table holds up to 40 pounds of sand, and the thick, sturdy legs provide a stable base to hold sand, or even dirt or water. And if you are looking for something a little less colorful, the natural color scheme works well in your backyard. At number 3, we have the Step 2 Splash and Scoop Base Sand and Water Table. Trying to decide between a sandbox or water table? Why not get both? The Step 2 Splash and Scoop has the best of both worlds. This sand and water table has 2 separate lids that can be placed on each side so the water doesn't get into the sand or vice versa. This set comes with plenty of accessories for extra fun play, including a water tower, slide, shark scoop, rake, and more. There is a drain hole and plug to easily drain the water table. The sand table part can hold about 3 pounds of sand, and the water table part can hold 3 gallons of water. This affordable sand and water table is the right height for most toddlers. At number 2, we have the KidCraft Pirate Sandbox. Your little pirate and his mateys will enjoy this colorful pirate-themed sandbox. You'll love that the canopy protects your little ones on a sunny day. This large sandbox is made of wood and is big enough for multiple kids to play in. The back of the boat has seating for about 3 kids and has a red steering wheel to complete the pirate ship look. The side of the ship features fun artwork, and no pirate ship is complete without a pirate flag. This sandbox is sturdy but will require some assembly. Also, note that the bottom of the sandbox portion is non-existent. Some have recommended adding plywood or some sort of covering if you don't want to put the sand directly on the ground. This sandbox also comes with a cover for the sand to protect it, but note that the cover won't protect it from the rain. And finally, at number 1, we have the Step 2 Crabbie Sand Table. This is another great sandbox that brings the sand to their level, Crabbie style. The Step 2 Crabbie Sand Table keeps it simple with its spacious sand area for kids to play. This table also comes with accessories and tool holders on the claws of the crab. Its shell is the cover and provides good protection from most elements, including rain. But a warning, a strong wind might carry it off since it doesn't secure down. It holds up to 25 pounds of sand and comes with 2 shovels and 2 flower pots. Because of its shorter height, this sandbox is good for toddlers, but toddlers may outgrow this sand table pretty quickly. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.